AI is going to take your job, or maybe it won't. Confused? You should be. And that's exactly what we need to talk about, the contradictory, unsettling truth about AI and sales. All right, let's be real. Everywhere you look, people are freaking out because AI is going to take their job, or they're in complete denial. Why? Because they're human. And in fact, if you are human and in sales, there's never been a better time to upskill yourself and become AI proof. My name's Luke. I've been in the sales game for over 20 years. And if there's one thing I've learned, it doesn't matter if it's a global economic crisis, a technological revolution, people always need sellers. Don't forget to check out the timestamps below to find your spot. I really enjoyed making this video today. Stick around until the end where I've got a free gift for you. So yes, AI is incredibly efficient. And in certain areas of sales where the job is all about hitting numbers, knocking out those calls, following the scripts, AI is going to outpace you. Why wouldn't it? It doesn't get tired. It doesn't need a day off. It doesn't need a paycheck. And it doesn't care about rejection. But here's the twist. AI isn't human. And whereas that is its greatest strength, that's also its greatest weakness. Think about it. AI can crunch numbers, predict outcomes, even generate scarily good sales scripts. But can it look a customer in the eye, spot that hesitation, and adjust their sales pitch accordingly? Can it help a client or a prospect feel understood? Personally, I don't think so. So should you be worried about AI? Yes. But should you be optimistic about it? Absolutely. So let's talk about specifics. On the one hand, we have assistive AI. These are these AI agents, these supercharged chatbots that can help you gather your data, organize all your information, and be just a helpful tool on the day-to-day. So where these bots have been designed to help you, they have absolutely been designed to replace you. And then there's the other side of the coin, disruptive AI. And this is where things get a little bit unnerving. High volume sales roles, those jobs where you're really cranking out the calls, they are absolutely in AI crosshairs. Let's not sugarcoat it. Those kind of jobs are going to disappear. You don't need a crystal ball to see that. But here's the paradox. AI isn't just a job killer. It's a tool that can make you indispensable if you know how to use it. The real question isn't whether AI will replace you, it's whether you will let it. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you fight back? How do you stay relevant when the machines are becoming smarter, faster, and better at what used to be your job? Here's the answer, and it may surprise you. Don't fight AI, embrace it, but don't trust it blindly. First, leverage AI. Use it for all those repetitive tasks that you don't want to do so you can focus where your strength as a salesperson really is. Build relationships, read the room, continue to learn about the complexities of human behavior. You see, when it comes down to it, selling isn't just about giving information, it's about human connection. AI can give you that data, but only you can turn it into a genuine relationship. Secondly, double down on the skills that AI can't replicate. I'm talking about creativity, emotional intelligence, understanding the subtle art of human interaction. You might think AI can handle everything, but think about it. Can it really replace the nuance of a face-to-face sales meeting over a coffee? Can it really replace the urgency and persuasive decision-making skills that you need on a high-ticket sales call? I don't think so. Thirdly, never stop learning. AI is evolving, and so should you. Always keep doubling down on those skills, reviewing everything you do, reflecting on every sales call you have, and getting better every time. But here's the thing, and just to make things a little bit darker for you, what about the bigger picture? What about when AI starts replacing jobs en masse? What about global unemployment? Another recession? As I said before, if there's one thing I've learned in 20 years of selling, it's that the world needs salespeople. So yeah, AI is incredible and it can revolutionize everything, but it's also a ticking time bomb. The question is, where are you going to be when it explodes? So what's your take? Are you all in on AI or are you conflicted about where it's heading? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely interested to keep this conversation going. Like I said, it's never been a better time to be a salesperson. Get skilled up, make yourself AI proof. If this video has resonated with you, thank you for making it this far. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the link in the description where you can sign up for free daily sales tips. A little bit of sales value in your inbox every single day. AI is coming, but it's up to you whether you're going to fear it or harness it. Stay sharp, stay selling. See you next time.